They may get through the numbers, but the political wheels are turning right now. Which way will they turn eventually, 1 year from now, from the Congress party? With me in the studio is economist Ajit Ranade, chief economist of the Aditya Birla Group, PC Chacko, top Congress leader, Kamal Farooqui, top Samajwadi Party leader, Vivek Gupta, member of the parliament in the Rajya Sabha of the Trinamool Congress, Mr. TKS Elangovan, member of parliament of the DMK, who is going to be joining us in some time. Navika is with us here. Mr. Chacko, no reach out to Mamta Banerjee. Mamta, what is going on here in the government? Mamta Banerjee is saying, you didn't call me. Government says we called you. Mr. Chidambaram says we called you. I mean, is this what national politics has to be reduced to? The truth or uncertainty of a phone call, Mr. Chacko? Why have things come down to this?
If there is a communication gap, it is unfortunate, but the intention of the government was to communicate maximum, discuss with everybody, take everybody into confidence. When Mamata Banerjee decided to reconsider or withdraw her support, then there could have been opportunities from both sides. Approaches could have been there from both sides to discuss. Prime Minister did try to meet her. A message was left at her house and there was no return call. And why should the Prime Minister say or Mr. Chidambaram say that we attempted and we did not get it? After all, it is a matter of talking this side and that side. Prime Minister's cabinet, Mamata's cabinet ministry is there. There are 6 ministers of state are there. They are meeting so frequently, and where is the problem? I don't understand. If the Prime Minister
I don't understand either.
I have tried to contact. Why should it be displayed?
I don't understand either because of
ministry arguments going on for no reason.
No, there is no reason.
The matter is entirely different.
No, this is
is entirely different, and it is much serious and much wider.
No, I know it is.
Kind of silly arguments where it is.
Sir, I know it is. I know it is.
I don't know how it is.
I know it is, and I assure you, I want to get into the serious argument. But the sheer absurdity of what is going on forces me to ask. Because a minister told me what is going on here. Mr. Gupta, this question is to you. A top cabinet minister told me today, what is going on here? The Prime Minister of India is calling Mamta Banerjee. She has switched her cell phone off. She is not returning the phone call. What does she expect us to do? My question today is, who has decided the script in advance? Mamta Banerjee or the Congress party?
No, I don't think there is any script, Arnab, but you must appreciate that for the smallest of things,
Mr. Chacko, the Trinamool Congress
and Manmohan ji have sent emissaries. Have sent emissaries to Mamta ji.
1 minute.
For the smallest of reasons,
One minute. Both the Congress and the Trinamool Congress are speaking over each other right now, which is interestingly what happens in real life also nowadays. But 1 minute, Mr. Chacko, please hear the response of the Trinamool Congress.
Does not agree. And whether that can be resorted, whether that can be resolved, that's the moot question now.
What? What can be resolved? I missed the last part of your argument, Mr. Chacko. You said whether what can be resolved? That's the moot question? Mr. Chacko, can you hear me?
I can hardly hear you, but I think that the discussion that the Prime Minister's office tried to contact Mamata is denying that. Why this silly discussion or debate is going on, that is the question you asked. I said that I am at a loss to understand. The Chief Minister of West Bengal and the Prime Minister of India, for them to communicate, this kind of difficulty should not arise at all. And the Prime Minister, with all the serious intentions and sincerity, wanted to convey and convince Mamata Banerjee that why such a decision was taken. Now the question is whether the difference is on the decision taken by the cabinet, or the difference is about the style of functioning, or the difference is about the Prime Minister not contacting Mamata. Because we are sidetracking the issues. I don't think that this is the way responsible people should behave.
Now here you must hear the other side of the Trinamool Congress now, Mr. Chacko. Mr. Gupta has a right to respond. You've called his party irresponsible. You've said much of what Mamta Banerjee is saying is factually incorrect. Then why is Mamta Banerjee saying it? Tell me, Mr. Gupta, Mamta Banerjee every day. Did Mamta Banerjee not realize anything on Colgate till 2 days back? Till yesterday, Mamta Banerjee said nothing on Colgate. She said nothing about the style of functioning. The Congress party is asking you today, is this about FDI in retail, or is it about other? Is it about Mamta Banerjee and Mulayam Singh Yadav deciding time has come for a general election? Answer that. Many Congress leaders are saying this is a pre-decided move by Mamta in conjunction with Mulayam. Mr. Farooqi, I'm also coming to you. Yes.
Yeah, I will partially agree with Mr. Chacko that the real issues are getting sidetracked in this telephone business. It is, it's a laughing, it's a laughing situation when the Prime Minister of the country cannot reach out to the Chief Minister of one state. I mean, for the smallest of reasons, emissaries have come from New Delhi, either from Ms. Sonia Gandhi's side or from the Prime Minister's side. And our Honorable Didi, she has sent an SMS to Sonia ji.
SMS.
Which Sonia ji also denies having received it. So, yeah, she sent an SMS the day this FDA thing was announced.
Well, I mean, this is an incredible situation. I have no special knowledge of the SMSs, the phone calls, and I will rest this part of the debate here. But I must just add that this is the most mysterious communication gap in the history of Indian politics at a time when technology to communicate is probably at its best. But the communication is at its worst. Why is that so, Kamal Farooqi? Kamal Farooqi, why has it come down to this? Is it because Akhilesh Yadav apparently secretly meeting Sonia, in the meeting with Sonia Gandhi said that, it is in our interest that we pull out support from this government? Because, he met her 3-4 days back.
Mr. Arnab.
Yes.
Mr. Arnab, please understand that I am for the first time hearing from you that what is transpired between Sonia Gandhi ji and Akhilesh. Even I am not aware of it, number one. Number two is what Mr. Chacko is saying, it's a silly thing. No, it's not a silly thing. It's very important because I agree with what Mr. Gupta is saying. It's in this era when the whole world has become a village. A Prime Minister is not in a position to communicate with the Chief Minister. It's very strange. And when it is on record that last time it was sat on the floor of the House, when it was withdrawn, that first it will be discussed with the people, only then it will come. Then suddenly, without any agenda, the whole item has been discussed. If Mr. Chacko still feels that it is silly, yes, it's a predetermined decision by Congress. I agree with this because Congress already got into this Colgate and other corruption charges. They have already increased this price of the diesel and the cylinders. But definitely they wanted to take out the whole stream out of it and want to divert the attention of the people, masses, and that is why actually they have done it. Why they have not taken the Mamata Banerjee?
No, you are saying predetermined move. Mr. Chacko, Mr. Chacko, if you heard Kamal Farooqi there, because I lost you in between, he says this is a predetermined move. You decided to throw Mamata Banerjee out. And this is coming from Mulayam Singh Yadav's party, Mr. Chacko. It is not coming from the BJP. It is coming from a party that still supports you. They are accusing you on Newshour today of throwing out Mamata Banerjee in a pre-decided fashion. I think you must respond. A lot of people are saying that today, Mr. Chacko. They are not believing this theory of phone calls not being made, not communicated. They say the Congress party planned this.
And even the SMS.
They don't believe the SMS also.
SMS.
They say that Mamata Banerjee sent Sonia Gandhi an SMS also. So basically, Mr. Chacko, both the Mamata Banerjee and Mulayam Singh Yadav's party are accusing you on this program of throwing out Mamata Banerjee in a predetermined manner. Please, will you respond, sir? Mr. Chacko. Mr. Chacko, can you hear me?
I can't hear you. I think we are on the same point.
Yes,
whether
we
the
are.
Prime Minister contacted Mamata was saying the right thing, or the Prime Minister's office is saying the right thing. Is it the question now?
No, it's not the question.
I can't hear you.
No, that's not the question. I'm going to try and be louder. That's not the question. The question is this, Mr. Chacko, can you hear me? Can you hear me, Mr. Chacko? Mr. Chacko?
No, I can't hear you.
I'll try and improve the phone line before I come back to you.
What is the discussion taking place there?
Okay, I'm going to come back to you. I'm going to improve the phone line here. Do you think this is happening in a predetermined manner? Naresh Gujral. Naresh Gujral. No, 1 minute. I'm going to come back to you, Mr. Gupta. Naresh Gujral. Predetermined exit because the government wants to push reforms. What's wrong with that? If you had an ally like the Mamata Banerjee who stopped you from everything you were doing, you would at the first opportunity get rid of her and get a more convenient ally. That's what the Congress party has done.
Or no, this game was not played for the sake of reforms. It was basically a googly which was bold to deflect the heat away from Colgate. And today the same googly has become an albatross around their necks.
No, but
Whether it is Mamata Banerjee, whether it is Mulayam Singh, and tomorrow you will see even Mayawati, they will not be able to go with FDI. So this whole reform thing is a sham.
they
It
will
was
support
only
the
to
UPA.
deflect the attention away from
They will
Colgate.
support the UPA. You can ask Kamal Farooqui, he's on the program right now. He'll support the UPA. Mr. Farooqui, you'll continue
sorry?
to support the UPA.
I'm not supposed. No, I'm not supposed to make any comment on that because my party will take a call on this. We are studying the whole thing very minutely, and my leadership will take a call when it will come. I'm not. I cannot answer you
No,
this
but your
question right
leadership
now at
has
all.
very clearly,
Whether we'll.
his leadership has very clearly stated that they're against FDI.
Yeah, we have already said no. I'm responding to Mr. Arnab Goswami whether we'll support or not. We are already saying it. We absolutely all these things we are discussing. We are
No.
discussing each and everything very carefully.
No, one
very
minute.
minutely.
Oh, I want
So
you
I'm
to-
not in a position to respond to you right now.
No, Mr. Farooqui, don't avoid my question. Please don't avoid my question. My question to you is very simple.
No, I'm not avoiding.
My question to you is very simple. There are two allies from Uttar Pradesh the Congress party can have. One is your party and one is Mayawati. Mayawati does not block
It's
disinvestment.
a statement of fact.
Yes, you does not block disinvestment, you block disinvestment. You write a letter attacking the UPA government for selling off shares to profitable PSUs and Navratna companies and Nalco and Oil India. Mayawati does not do that. So, if this government is pushing FDI and insurance, disinvestment, pension, etc., they are going to go with Mayawati, not you. They don't even probably care whether you stay or not because with Mayawati they have the numbers.
Are we asking them? Are we pleading for it?
What do you mean pleading for it?
So you are saying it. They will not ask. So are we going to at their door? That is
were
for
with
them
them?
to manage their affairs.
No, you were with them. Mulayam Singh Yadav went to a UPA dinner, anniversary dinner. He was there on the stage. He was there with
So
the
what?
UPA.
So what?
So what?
Position change every day.
Position change in 4 months?
Change every day. But they did not. Yeah, but they did not take us for in confidence while bringing out this FDI.
Position change, very significant. Mr. Farooqui is making a very... Mr. Chako, can you hear me now?
It's a.
Mr. Chako, can you hear me now?
Yes.
Mr. Chako,
Yes,
you are
please.
one of the topmost Congress leaders, sir. And you know, you are chairperson of a very important committee, JPC on 2G, where you see these political fights happening every day. My question to you is, one of the senior most leaders of your ally, Kamal Farooqui of the Samajwadi Party, is saying, you're not going to get our support if you do these things. Now, if Mulayam goes, Mamata goes, the only option for you is Mayawati. Only one option, Mayawati. Have you talked to Mayawati?
Aruna, the issue is that whether who is going to support Congress party, whether
Yes.
it is Mayawati or Mulayam. The simple thing is that the Congress is getting outside support from both these parties. You know that there were many occasions in the past, in the last 3 years, when the government was facing crisis situations. And at that point of time, there was difference of opinion in every political party in India. This is such a situation. I heard somebody saying, I don't know who said that, this is a diversionary tactics to divert the attention from the scams.
Yes.